In today's video, I'm going to show to you the upcoming game. It is called Synergy of Serra and it is on Ethereum Blockchain. So hear me out first. But it's us or them. It's a card game as well. So before I start here, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I'm always putting a really good content about card games, about blockchain games, and other stuff that is in crypto. So please do subscribe into my channel. That will really help me a lot. So let's just start right into it. I don't want you to wait a lot. So this is a card game. Of course, it shapes a new game genre, merging classic strategy card games with the infinite game experience possibilities of deck builder card games. So join the 6 factions of biological and mechanical creatures in the defense of the planet Serra from an alien threat. Become the leading commander of Serra. So you can buy cargoes right now, and for those people that who do not know about this one, they do have some escalation on their crate prices right here. So I got into this one. I think it was around tier 1 or tier 2. So the higher it is, okay, the more expensive it goes. So these cards right here, this crates that you're going to buy right here, if you are not able to buy it right now, and if these crates have been sold out, then the next drop will be a lot more expensive. So this is more like a deflationary kind of stuff right here, and it's pretty much doing well. Okay, the site is also protected, it is secure. So let's just jump right into the arts. Okay, so they do have a really good gallery here, showing some pictures inside Synergy of Serra, and I think they really did a good job on this one. This one, it has a good graphics at all. It has a pretty much a story for every single picture. So for to explore more of Synergy Serra, you can see here they have fast strategic battles. It is simple and deep. Okay, it is in-game deck building. So build a deck with what you are giving in-game and beat your opponent in new ways, making every battle unique. So this is more like an RNG type of game, of course, with using all of your skills into what you're seeing into your cards. So as you can see, skill to win. This one is skill to win. The cards you bring to the table are poured into the middle. Both players can use them to build their decks. On Serra, the more skilled combatant will win, not the richest. So this is pretty much a good way of introducing a game, because most of the games right now is more pay to win. Okay, so you're paying more. I'm not saying that Axie Infinity is pay to win, but of course if you get pretty much better Axies, you need to pay more for that. Okay, you want to pay for some pure breeds, and you don't want to get some hybrids because it's a lot more weaker than the pure. And this is pretty much solves the problem, because it is kill to win. So battle royale, it is also battle royale which win or you're out. So that's a simple concept of battle royale. Can you build the best decks in a group of over 100 competitors? So there's no pre-construction. Construct your deck with what you are given in game. So it's pretty much thrilling. Okay, I'm pretty much excited on this one. Okay, build a better deck and win. And it is also play to earn. So there's also a ranked game mode. Climb to the top each season by battling opponents. Receive your share of the prize pool and other rewards according to your rank. So for you to make money in ranked game mode, you need to battle yourself into the top. And I think there's a ranking system on this one, wherein if you get a specific rank, you're just getting this kind of reward, and if you're getting this pretty much higher rank, you'll get this specific kind of reward. So it is according to your rank. So Other one is sharing the benefits. It utilizes the awesome cards your opponent brings to the table and upgrade your cards by letting others play them. So this is pretty much a this is pretty. I'm not sure on this one. Maybe this one is something that you can delegate your cards into and then you can make money. I'm not sure. But anyways, it also has a marketplace function where you can buy and sell or trade. So your cards and cosmetics are truly owned by you through the newest FT blockchain standards ERC1155. So player shape Serra, they also have blueprints which you can become a skilled craftsman by crafting cosmetics for yourself, friends, or sell them to the highest bidder. So this is pretty much some unique function in this one, okay? You can also get exclusive rights to make unique types of cosmetics. And how will you make use of your power? So if you're not lacking, if you do not have any information yet, you're still lacking some information, you can check their blogs into the lower part of the explore tab here. So prepare yourself to defend Serra. So how we can get crates here? So for us to get crates, it's really simple. Just click this one. It will automatically lead you on this page right here. Excuse me. So if you're buying one transcendent set crate, you're going to pay around $4. But of course, if you're going to buy a lot, please do buy bulk like 5 or 10, because in my case I've bought like 5 of it. And after you've bought this one, okay, you need to log in. So I just log in here. I'm going to log in, and then you need to have your MetaMask here. So I'm going to log in here. So what you need to do here is you can pay via PayPal. I think this one doesn't include any of charges. I think this one is fixed, but if you're going to pay in Ethereum, well, I think you need to have some you need to pay for some gas fees, because I've paid this on Ethereum. Okay, so you can also pay in Matic, so Polygon. I think it's not Polygon or not. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's Polygon. So previously I've bought it on Ethereum. As you can see into my MetaMask, I think it is here. I've bought it in Ethereum mainnet. So I've paid around $24, which has a gas fee of around $5, which is pretty much expensive if you're going to tell me. But of course, I don't want to miss this one out, because it is pretty much selling like hotcakes. Okay, so you can pay via PayPal, you can pay via Ethereum or Matic Network, but I think Ethereum is pretty much down into their website, so you can pay via Polygon. So let's talk about what can you do with your crates. Okay, so when you deposit crates here into your inventory, you deposit it here, you're getting an alpha fame. So what alpha fame actually does, okay, so it has a future functionality, which of course can give you some in-game items according to them and according to what I'm seeing into the Discord. So you better stake your you better put your crates here and just open it when it is the right time, because right now this game is pretty much early. I will say it is pretty much a hidden game that could probably spike if this proves really good and this game actually hits the market, and the gamers that are playing a lot of games as well wants to play this game a little bit more than the other game. So this one is the how you can get alpha fame, and for you to see what their team looks like. So you can see they pretty much a docs team, I think. So Marcel Dance, you can see their profiles here. So Um, I think they have been doing some business before. So this one is a blockchain developer. So they co-found Calistra. Okay, their sales manager, civil service. They've also completed pretty much good education. As you can see here, they are master of science, which is an advanced something like when you finish a college, you get a master degree and then you get a doctoral degree. So this one is pretty much good. Okay, this guy is really honing his craft really well. So Wolf Rose, developer, and they also have a team for marketing. There's also a 3D artist, and there's an animator, which is, I think this one is a Japanese, I think, because it is Kumiko Nakashima, and you can see it into the LinkedIn. So all of them has a LinkedIn. So he's a Japanese, and you can see their backgrounds just by clicking this one. Open their link. Open just the link into the new tab. So this one has also its portfolio. This one is a developer. So only this Marvin Podsendek doesn't have any LinkedIn. So I'm not sure. This one is pretty much loading really slow, but I think this one is really good. They're showing the devs. Okay. I pretty much trust these developers. Okay, and let's just really hope that they really do their best on creating this game, because what I'm seeing here, okay, these cards right here, this is pretty much good looking. Okay, in my case, this is really look good. And you can also be a tech pioneer. So, and this before alpha starts to receive tech pioneer rewards. So I'm not sure about this one, but I'm going to check this one into the future. So for their roadmap, okay, so they've completed this one. The alpha fame features is also up. The opening of Transcendence, of course, it is on 62%. A lot of people are buying Transcendent because it is a lot more worth it. And they're on their way of opening their marketplace and their closed alpha launch, their closed beta launch, and their open beta. So they are partners with Steam, Polygon, DApp Radar, ReviewDApp, State of the Arts, NFT World, Play to Earn Blockchain Game List. So this is pretty much a good partners right here. Okay, and it is powered by Ethereum, which made with Unity. Okay, so this one is really good. You also have a cookies. I'm just going to mention it. Okay, and I mean, if I see more growth into this game, okay, I'm pretty much going to buy more crates. And of course, I'll see you more onto upcoming videos of Synergy Serra in the future. Okay, when their alpha launches, when their open beta launches, and where the official game launches, and other stuffs that you need to know about Synergy of Serra. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and please, if you do so, please do subscribe into my channel. That is Crypto Addict here, and see you on my next video.